Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. So I'm in Winton Road today, which is in South Reading, not too far from the motorway, just around the corner from the Swallowfield studios that have just been erected, and close to town centre as well. So before I head in, I'm just going to pan around just to give you an idea of the area. So here we are. And you can see there, it's a lovely quiet area as well. So local shops are just around the corner, not too far away either. And this is a live stream, so feel free to ask me questions and I will do my best to answer them for you. As we head in. How old is the house? That's a really good question. I believe the original bones of the house date back to, I want to say the 1930s, but I will get that confirmed for you. So once we're into the front door, we've got this lovely welcoming hallway. Stairs are up, which I'll show you in a moment. But first of all, downstairs WC, all in here. And I do apologise if I keep catching myself in the mirrors. I will try and avoid it. I don't want to put you off. But heading on down, so we'll go on into the main reception room. So here, really good sized reception. Just open the curtain. So really good sized reception room, and you've got these lovely big windows to the front. That's lots of light in, but also you get to see your front garden and just appreciate, again, just how quiet it is once you're inside. So it's a lovely sized property. On here, there's a fire down there, which is electric, I believe. And then it is moving on through to the dining area. And again, it's carpet in the front room, hardwood in the dining area. And then you have patio doors out into your garden. And I'll head out there in a wee bit, but what we'll do is we'll carry on downstairs. So we're through into this kitchen, and you can see here it's a lovely bright kitchen. Views out over the rear garden, and there's back down to the front door. We have your rear door here, and then there is a pantry just here, and the pantry has a small window as well. So there you are. It's a proper pantry. It will remain cooler than the rest of the house, so designed to help. I'm sorry that you can't hear anything. Yes, it has started, so I do apologise if you're having some technical issues. I do apologise on that. But this video will be uploaded to YouTube later on, so you can always watch it back. Understairs storage, and there's your meters in the back there. And then just how bright, I haven't turned lights on or anything, but how bright it all is in here. Good size, as I said, reception, hallway. And what we'll do, let's head on up. So, top of the stairs, we have the bathroom, or the toilet. All in there. So separate toilet in there. And then here is your shower room or bathroom. So there was a bath in here up until fairly recently. It got taken out and put as a walk-in shower. It's a Myra electric shower as well, so good quality. Here's your airing cupboard with your hot water tank, and then good sized window as well. So heading on into bedroom number 2, which is a good sized double. It has the built-in wardrobes as well. Lots of storage in here, and again, views out over the rear garden, and it does go all the way up the back. And as I said, I'll show you that in just a moment. But it's a really, really good size double bedroom. So into the smallest room. Open this up again. So this is the box room, and you can just sort of see behind the bed there is the box of the stairs. But for a box room, it's a really good size. It's actually a small double. A double would fit in where this single bed is. Wardrobes in here as well. And then you have your windows out over the front. But again, just how quiet it is around here. You'd never realise that you're close to the motorway or to the town centre. It's lovely and quiet. This is your main bedroom. Really large double, all with fitted wardrobes in. And there's your bed. And again, let me just open the curtain through here. There we are. And I stand in this corner here. It's a really good size as well. So really comfortable throughout. Well maintained, well looked after, and like the carpet is a nice thick carpet. There's loads of life left in it as well. There's the attic up there. It's definitely more storage than developing into. A little bit of it is boarded. It's not all boarded, but yeah, somewhere fantastic to store Christmas trees, that sort of stuff. What I'll do, just grab my shoes and I'll show you the back garden, because this is, I think, you really need to see it to appreciate the size of the garden. So, sorry, bear with me. And just take you out here. So, just going to stand in the corner. First of all, just to give you an idea of the size of it. So here's your back gate as well. Now, driveway wise, you have a rather long drive. So you could easily fit a car up here. This part is shared, but then there is space to the front as well, and on-street parking. So there's lots of potential here for parking. But let me take you for a little walk. So we have a shed just here, full of tools and stuff like that. But then it is a stepped garden. So you can see sort of these purpose-built beds put in on either side. And then the garden carries on even further up, and here we are to the top section of the garden. Lovely size space. Looking back at the property, you've got so much room up here, and it's so lovely and peaceful. And you can probably, well, you can't hear, that's the point, but just how quiet it is. There we are. So yeah, so the property comes with no chain, which is a fantastic bonus to it. And I think you will agree that the finish in the house is really good as well. It's available on the market now, and yeah, if you have questions about the property, do feel free to give us a call. Get in touch. We can arrange private viewings for you as well. But this, you don't get very many houses with gardens like this around here. It is fantastic. It's a really lovely, quiet area, somewhere brilliant to sit out and enjoy hopefully the summer sun when that comes back. And yeah, so I want to thank you all for joining. Thank you so much for all the questions. I've really appreciated it, and I've loved showing you around this home. And if you would like to arrange a private viewing, do get in touch. I would love to show you. I think you really need to see it to appreciate it all. And yeah, so if there's nothing else, guys, I'm going to thank you very much. Take care, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. All the best. Fantastic. We'll be in touch. Take care.